So as you guys know that I am author of 2 books, and by the age of 16, I'm super proud of myself, and you guys too. You guys also keep on supporting me for all the things I try. So in this video, I'll be telling you 4 ways to publish your book. Okay, I was getting this question a lot, so I finally decided to come up with a video. So in this video, we would be discussing 4 ways to publish your book, and I'll be telling about every way in detail. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. Okay. So the method we used is print on demand, but first we will start with traditional publishing. That is the traditional method of publishing your books. Traditional method includes like you write your book and another publisher publishes it, and you don't have to pay any like starting amount to that publisher. Okay, they like deduct money on the amount that book is earning. There are many places like Penguin and I'm not recalling the names why, but I have put in here. Okay, go do check the name out. There are many places like that. Penguin is one of the like top houses. So what they want is traditional publishing में क्या होता है? You just give them the copy, they accept or reject. If they accept, well and good, they publish the book. You get lots of marketing, lots of like advertisement and free, and you don't have to spend any like early amount. Okay, you are just okay to go and you earn handsome amount of royalty through it. Okay, so that is traditional way of publishing. But the negative point of this is it takes a lot of time. Like first, for big publishing houses, you have to reach an agent takes like approx 3 months, like estimated 3 months, to go through your book chapters and then decide whether they would be taking that book to the publishing house or not. And then they go to the publishing house takes the book, and if they like it, if they decide to publish it, then it takes another 3 to 4 months to publish it, and in overall it takes like 9 to 12 months, and that's a long procedure. And they demand lots of things. They demand some changes also. Like if you are writing a fiction book, you may not like want to change a certain character, but they may ask you to change a certain character. So that creates a conflict, and you have already wasted so much time. So that becomes a barrier. So first way is traditional publishing. Like most of the big authors like Ishan Sharma, Kushal Luda's book like Unicorn Secrets was published by Penguin. Raj Shamani's book Rebuilt Don't Talk was published by Penguin. Like they are traditional publishing houses, and you can earn handsome amount of royalty. But if they need a good person, good content, as well as a lot of time to get published. Okay. Second is self-publishing. Starting में traditional और self-publishing ही होते थे. Self-publishing में क्या होता है? You just go to a nearby press, you pay them the money and get like copies of your book printed, like 300 copies or 400 copies or something like that. You get them printed and you sell them. Maybe you go to events on earlier times, I don't know, but now maybe you can list them on Amazon if you have all those numbers and everything, GST numbers and everything. You can list it out on your website, your Amazon or other. You can sell it through your personal brand. Okay, now there are many means of marketing available, but पुराने टाइम में नहीं होता था. तो सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग वॉज लाइक कितनी सेल्स भी नहीं होगी. आप खुद इवेंट्स में जा रहे हो, आप खुद बुक स्टोर्स में अपनी बुक रखने जा रहे हो, एंड अगर आपका वर्ड ऑफ माउथ नहीं है ना, और अगर आपकी बहुत कम जगह अवेलेबिलिटी है, तो बुक सेल होना बहुत टफ हो जाता होता था. बट इसमें ये होता था कि इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए होती थी, एंड यू कैन गेट एज मेनी बुक्स प्रिंटेड, एंड सेल भी आपके ऊपर होती थी. ट्रेडिशनल पब्लिशिंग हाउसेस में ये एडवांटेज मिल जाती है सेल की, बट यहाँ पे सेल करना भी उतना टफ होता है. बस यहाँ पे बेनिफिट ये होता है कि आपका टाइम कम लगता है, बट मनी ज़्यादा लगती है. दैट इज़ नॉट अ बेनिफिट ऑफ कोर्स, एंड इट हैज़ मेनी कॉन्स. दूसरा बेनिफिट वी कैन से लाइक अगर ट्रेडिशनल पब्लिशिंग नहीं एक्सेप्ट होती है आपकी बुक एंड यू स्टिल वांट टू पब्लिश योर बुक, then self-publishing is the only option you have back then. But now you have like more options. The medium through which we published is like print on demand, like Notion Press and many other presses are coming right now, which publish on demand. Whenever an order comes, they then print the book and sell it. Like you don't have to give an initial investment. Like we paid because we wanted to list it online internationally and everywhere around. But if you want it just on basic their website and you want like few copies and everything, then you are good to go without any amount also. There you have to just give your account number, PAN number, and amount will be transferred, like royalty will be transferred. They would be marketing also a little bit if you pay them an extra amount of cost. And they would be taking all the headache of dispatch, listing on bookstores if you pay them for of course. They would be taking all that headache, and they would be listing it on Amazon and everything. You don't need any GST number and everything. And the fourth way is publishing your ebooks. Like you can easily publish your ebook on Kindle, on Amazon, or also you can write your book in form of PDF and sell it through like Topmate, or when you have a personal brand, you can just sell it as a product on Etsy, or maybe list it on Amazon like through Kindle or anything. Like these are ebooks, and you can easily publish it using those platforms also. First two are like traditional methods, so पुराने time से चलते आ रहे हैं. These two have recently come up and you can consider them as like publishing options, but the earlier ones, traditional publishing, is what I feel like most crazy about, and now I want to try that traditional publishing thing. But yes, these methods are also crazy. Like you can publish your book, market it, and sell. Like the process has become so easy with like Notion Press and other websites like that. And this is about 4 ways to publish your book. Now you can check out my other video on my channel that is about how to write your book and how to decide the topic, niche, and all that stuff. So go and do check out that video. This is Samiksha Juneja signing off. And if you want to check out my books, do check out, link is in the description. This is Samiksha Juneja signing off.